see if I can do this then. Shall we do it? Go ahead.
Yeah, go for it.
Sweet. All right, here we go. What could go wrong? So, you want to contribute to Angular docs? Well, that's just fantastic. You definitely rock. But wait, you find you're not sure what to do? I've got the answer. It's called @reviewed. You see, having our content constantly maintained is one of the best ways to keep everyone sane. After all, nothing makes a dev so irate than reading a topic that's way out of date. Angular, you know, is always evolving so you can address the problems you're solving. And while we work hard to bring these new features to mind, it's easy to leave existing content behind. Indeed, here's a truth that is truest. We all love to talk about the things that are newest. To tread a new path, be brave without fear. But for others to follow, we must keep the trail clear. That means steps must always be taken to ensure no topic is ever forsaken. For the greatest accomplishments forever ring hollow, if, for those who come after, there's no way to follow. To help with this effort, we thought it was best to add in a way to mark content as fresh. A tag @reviewed that you can append to almost any topic right at the end. Anyone can use this tag, I dare say. Just add it along with the year, month, and day when you read the topic and find it correct. But what do you do if the content's suspect? We work hard writing docs, but try as we might, there are so many cases where the words just aren't right. Should you review a topic and find it untrue, we hope you might file an issue or two. If you think it's a problem that you can address, then file a PR. Oh, that'd be the best. And if your changes are truly far-reaching, then talk to me first, and I'll help with the teaching. Now you might ask, how oft to be sure that all content's correct, not just topics du jour? I'm not going to lie, our goals are ambitious. All topics reviewed twice a year'd be terrific. But I am no expert, I hear some of you call. There's so much to Angular, I don't know it all. Who am I to decide that a topic's sufficient on a subject on which I may not be proficient? To this I can say with great hue and great clatter that you are our users and your opinions matter. If you read a topic and you're on the fence about whether or not the subject makes sense, if you try an example and you fear that in fact it is not something you'd call good coding practices, if you can't read a topic and get right back to your code, then believe me when I say that I want to know. But if you read something and it sheds a light on a topic that once kept you up late at night, then an @reviewed tag is a very big plus to let others know this is content to trust. Excited? I am, but before you attempt to try out this feature, some content's exempt. API and CLI topics are good teachers' pets, but for now, they don't have this feature. Not yet. To recap this talk that is so very Seussian, if you'd like to make meaningful contributions to Angular, use @reviewed, I should think. And if you'd like to know more, please follow this link. Thank you.